Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So if you want these class icons on your Galaxy phone, so today in this video I will show you a trick by which you guys can get these class icons for free on your phone. First of all, you will have to install this application that is with the name of GoodLock. You can install this application from the Play Store app, or you can also install this application from the Galaxy Store app of your phone. This GoodLock app is available in both the stores, and after installing it you just have to simply open it, and after opening this GoodLock application you have to install this theme park. Now from this theme park, tap on create new in the icons, and from here tap on effects. From here the third option will be available of glass, and the glass effect will be applied on your phone. You can create this icon pack and you can adjust it according to your need. As you guys can see, there are multiple adjustment options available to choose from. You can also select the transparency, that how much transparency you want, and after customizing it you just have to simply tap on this top right corner download option. From here you have to save it. For that you have to name it, and I will randomly name it class icon pack and tap on OK. Now your theme will be saved. Simply tap on it, then tap on apply, and your glass icons are ready to go. You can adjust it according to your need from the customizations for more glassy effect. And if you're worried about some lags, so there is no lag issue with this icon pack at all. And if you want to unapply it, so that is also possible. For that, simply go back into the GoodLock app, then tap on theme park. Now simply tap on the theme that you just created, then tap on unapply, and your default icon pack will be back. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this trick to get the glass icons on your Galaxy phone. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.